and you've got a good solid mechanical connection, and you've got a good solid electrical connection. And I didn't forget to put anything on this one. That's the great thing about this kind of stuff. Okay, we're showing no connection at all.
Because you got it on the connector. You got it on the...
I got it on insulation. I'm glad one of y'all are paying attention. So we got a good solid connection. Let's see. One of the other things that you're going to run into soldering is very similar to this. Putting wires together, heat shrink. We'll heat shrink this. It's not something you would normally heat shrink, but you put a couple wires together, you get a good solid mechanical connection.
Was that the Harbor Freight heat shrink?
Yes, it is. I use.
Does anything else?
Well, no, but it works pretty well. This stuff here is $5 a stick, but this will shrink down to 3/8 inch.
Yeah, but you need blowtorch for that.
But yeah, this is good stuff.
Got a blowtorch in the car.
Where do you get it from, other than mail order?
I